after we have learned the basics of marketing campaign, now I will now come to a point, and that point is called competitive analysis. What is this competitive analysis? It's not like that whatever you feel like you prepare and you start selling. You cannot put cost of your product so high that nobody buys it, and neither you can be putting that too low that it has no use. So in order to sync with the requirements in the market, you have to do competitive analysis. Means you have to find out the cost of your product by comparing it with other sellers or service providers. So if you have been able to understand the competitor's price, and you also understand their strength as well as weakness, it helps us in developing our own positioning for the price factor as well as service factor, or as well as we can leverage those weaknesses that they have and use those weaknesses as our strength. Because if we are able to counter those weaknesses and tell this client that apart from the services that that particular company is giving you or that particular company may not give you, you are the one who is going to help them with new services which will be very, very competitive and at no cost or with little cost. So this is how we determine the pricing, and this is how we determine the market segment. So if that happens, my friends, it becomes easy for you to talk to client, convince them, and take the business. Because see, if you do not do these activities, you will keep on sending your profile businesses, meeting people, but many times clients, they are not as I will say frank as to speak about your cost or services or hiccups that they might face when they are trying to interact. So if they don't tell you, you will be confused that you are putting lots of efforts but the results are not coming. So in order to ascertain that your efforts do not go futile or do not go in vain, you have to do some comparative analysis. If that comparative analysis is not done, we are always at the risk. And the most important part in doing competitive analysis is find out how these people are looking at you from a different angle. When I say different angle, they are looking for an option which others are not giving. So if you are able to give those alternate options, or you can project yourself as the best option among many others, it is 100% sure that the client will come to you.